You search for how to buy shares of Mcgrath Rentcorp, so this video shows the steps. Mcgrath Rentcorp rents specialty equipment and modular storage solutions and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MGRC. This information is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and add funds to proceed. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MGRC to find the listing. Select the Mcgrath Rentcorp result to make sure it matches the NASDAQ ticker and company name. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart for MGRC. Double-check the company description and ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. Once the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more details, check the description below.